Good day and welcome back. This is video 5 where we will be looking at the properties of quadrilaterals where we specify the properties of a kite. Remember, this resource is copyright protected. Unlawful use of the content can lead to prosecution. Do not remove the credentials of the owner. Let's be fair. If someone had to ask you what are the properties of a kite, would you be able to list all the properties of a kite? Let's see how many you can get in a few moments. You can press pause and press restart when you are ready. Right, let's look at the properties of a kite. Firstly, when we work with a kite, we have two pairs of adjacent sides that are equal. That pair is adjacent to this pair. They are equal. This pair is adjacent to this pair. They are also equal. The next thing, diagonals of a kite bisect each other at 90 degrees. The one diagonal bisects the other diagonal. So only the one diagonal bisects this diagonal. Then we also have the same diagonal also bisecting the angles, top ones and the ones at the bottom. These two that is coded green are the same size, and the two that is coded yellow are the same size. I trust that those properties have also come out for you. Remember, we were doing comparison to a square, and we will look at how these properties differ from the properties of a square. So when we look at the properties of a kite, we notice that it has got four sides, but the four sides are not equal. Also, the angles are not right angles. The opposite sides are not equal. The adjacent sides are not equal, but I've got two pairs of adjacent sides that are equal to each other. We also note that the adjacent sides are not perpendicular to each other as you would find with a square. The diagonals are not the same length. The one diagonal do, however, bisect the other diagonal. The diagonals do meet at 90 degrees. The diagonals are perpendicular to each other. One diagonal bisect the angles. And we know that the diagonals does not bisect the angles at 45 degrees. The angles still add up to 360 degrees as we have a quadrilateral, 4 vertices. Therefore, it will add up to 360 degrees. In brief, let us quickly recap. So we've got two pairs of adjacent sides that are equal, one diagonal that bisects the other diagonal, the diagonals meeting each other at 90 degrees, the one diagonal bisecting two of the angles. Thank you for joining us. I hope this information was informative and that it will assist you to achieve better understanding. Please share the link if you found it useful. Have a great day further. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.